Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Holbrook, and for your assignment today, you need to make a connection. Like to use this symbol for a connection, and especially when a book reminds you of something in your life. So at first I was thinking, oh, I can connect to this book because I like to play basketball. But we want to go even deeper. Think, have you ever felt left out of something like Jamaica did in this book? Well, your job today is to draw your picture and make a video like I am talking about it. I expect your picture to be much nicer than mine. Mine is what we call a sketch. It's a quick drawing with pencil. Your picture should have color and lots of details filling the page. So take a look. This is a drawing of my son and his friend JD and my daughter Charlie. And I know that the other day Charlie felt left out because Carter and JD were doing a puzzle and she was actually trying to be bossy and tell him what to do. So since she was acting that way, they didn't want to play with her. So I know she was really sad and felt left out, even though it was kind of her fault they didn't want to play. They really should have worked together to take turns and each do different parts of the puzzle. So this is my connection to Jamaica Tagalong. I can't wait to see your drawings and hear about your connections and how you dealt with it. What did you do if you felt left out? And if you've never felt left out, then maybe you've seen someone else be left out and you can draw and talk about that. Best of luck.